Databricks' biggest annual event, Data and AI Summit, is currently happening. With a massive lineup of key speakers, the focus was clear: moving data apps and agents into production. If you work anywhere near data engineering, machine learning, or enterprise AI, you need to know what has changed. I am going to walk you through every major announcement from DICE 2026 till date so you don't need to sit through hours. This year was different. 30,000 people in the room, hundreds and thousands joined virtually. But more than the numbers, the nature of what Databricks shipped has shifted. We are not just talking about lakehouse improvements or any other new connectors. Databricks dropped multiple category defining products in just one single week. A real time compute engine, a unified OLTP and OLAP architecture, a new AI coworker platform, an agentic security product, and a major acquisition. So grab your coffee because this one is packed. Let's get into it. Let's start with the announcement that has the longest tail for the entire data industry, not just Databricks customers. This is open sharing. Well, what was the problem? Back in 2021, Databricks invented Delta sharing, an open protocol that let organizations share data with each other securely without copying files. Zero copy, open spec, vendor neutral. It was a genuinely good idea. But it only covered data, tables, files, and structured data sets. Well, fast forward to 2026, the world has changed. Organizations aren't just sharing data anymore. They're building AI agents, fine tuned models, document classifiers, skill libraries, and there was no option for open standard for sharing any of that. What did they announce? Open sharing is the next generation of Delta sharing, now donated to the Linux Foundation, making it permanently open and vendor neutral. It expands protocol beyond data tables to include AI agent skills, ML models, and also unstructured data. Anything you have built can now be shared across platforms, across organizations, across clouds, securely without copying, using just one open standard. Why did this matter to the data community? But think about what this unlocks. Your team builds a brilliant document extraction agent. Today, if you want to share that with the partner organization or another team on a different platform, you're either copying the code, rebuilding pipelines, or just not sharing at all. Open sharing makes that a solved problem.